I have a January giveaway with SkyHigh. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
Oh, how's it going? Great. I like your center console subwoofer box. So what's your name real quick, man?
Josh.
All right, what all's in here?
A ZV515, a Crescendo BC4K, Crescendo S4, 2 AGM batteries, aftermarket alternators. It's like a 240, but it's no MechMan or anything.
It works.
Yeah, well, it works.
Yep.
That's about it. That's what I got in here.
Who built the box?
Me and homeboy right here. He designed it and we both built it.
All right.
Triple baffle on the top, double baffle here, single on the side, double here, single, and double on the bottom. And then they got a 2-inch dowel here in the port. You can see that big old maple.
What made y'all put it here instead of the back seat?
This is what, because this is what I got right now. I got a daughter.
Oh, there you go. So you need the back seat. All right. Okay. And you're wired at one of them?
One of them.
Okay. All right. Where's the amp at?
The amp? It's not that up.
No, where's it at?
Oh, you ain't gonna be able to see it. It's underneath these seats right here.
Okay. Don't worry about it.
You ain't gonna be able to see it. My bad, man.
No worries. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I love a demo. You ready?
This is the new Google Pixel 5 with the Titan M security chip. But to someone who doesn't mess around with security,
Trap House 3.
Okay, all right.
But this one ain't got no vocals for some reason. I don't know why.
No.
They got bass.
Titan M security chip. But to someone who doesn't mess around with security, chip, but to someone who doesn't mess around with security.
No Trap House 3.
Okay, all right. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, no problem. I had to clip it for you a little bit.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.